And now back to Ratasum for the next part.
I hereby convene this special session of the Arcane Council. The floor is yours, Kudu, and make it good. We're busy people.
I guarantee you'll be impressed, counselors. My Weathermatic 5000 will change the world, starting with yours.
Stop! Kudu is setting you up. He's going to use that machine to flood Ratasum permanently.
Ah, Zoja. I trust the council is familiar with Snaf's former menial, and the Snaf's servant, a menial's menial. So glad you got my invitation, dear. I was afraid something terrible had happened to you. No matter. Plenty of time for that later. I have to run now, counselors. It's a wee bit failure-heavy in here for my taste. Enjoy the show.
Getting help.
Let's get
I
out
got
of here.
this. Anything Kudu built, I can shut down. Leave it to me.
Not so fast, Zosha. The Council can take care of itself. We need experience, not...
Back off, Flax. I trained with Snap, just like Kudu, so shut up and let me save us all. Trissons, this thing's booby trapped to summon elementals. Keep them off me while I work. Getting help.
Soon, stick.
Prepare for battle.
Let's get out of here.
Getting help. So, a deluge in your chambers and a bevy of hostile elementals. Is the council ready to declare Kudu a threat, or do you need more proof?
The Council is well aware of the animosity between you and Kudu. For all we know, you came to sabotage his demonstration. I, for one, didn't see any elementals until after Zosha tampered with Kudu's device. This calls for a full subcommittee investigation.
Which will take months to reach a conclusion, if it ever does. With respect, Counselor, you're a buffoon. If Zosha and I hadn't...
Let it go, Savant. It's Ratasum. The council's main duty is to preserve itself. These days, that means knuckling under to the inquest. We stopped Kudu and destroyed the machine he stole from you. I'm gonna count that as a win. But I'm getting increasingly tired of council politics. Keep yourself available. I've got a few irons in the fire, and I'll want you with me when they're ready to come out. I'll be in touch.